What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Sasha Talia. So today I'm hitting you with this look that I did. If you're excited, I hope you are, because we got some glitter going on. We got some Va Va Voom lashes that I absolutely love. So let's go ahead and get started with this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Show your girls some support. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. I leave everything a link down in my description bar. And let's get on with the video. Okay, so I already did one eye off of camera, just the upper lid. I wanted it to be just really pretty and have some glitter to it and bronze colors. So first off, I'm going to start with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer, and we're gonna pretty much blank out our eyelids. So just go ahead and apply that on your eyelids. And then I'm going to go in with a BH Cosmetics, the marble set that I purchased. And we're going to go ahead and blend this out all over the eyelid. That way we can blank out the veins and discoloration that we may have in our eyes. Okay, so now that we got our eyelid concealed and primed, I'm going to go in with my BH Cosmetics, the number 8 brush. And today's palette, I'm going to use Life's a Drag by Manu MUA. I haven't really used this palette in a super long time, but the colors in here are really pretty. And so I'm going to be working with the neutral colors with the browns. So I'll be going in with Mug. And just take a generous amount, tap off the excess, and then I'm going to place this in my crease in tapping motions. And this is so we can get the full pigment on our eyelids. And then we'll blend everything out, and then it will just come together. Just gonna be placing that. Okay, so when we get towards the end of the crease, you'll start to flick this shadow out. Pretty much flick it out towards the end of your eyebrow, and then you can connect it down to your lash line. And just keep fading this color out. And then for the inner, I'm going with the same shade, and I'm just filling in this portion. Because we're pretty much on this side, this eye, we did like a halo kind of thing going on. So, yeah, you can just put that pigment on these outer and inner portion of the lid. Okay, so now I'm taking the number 9 brush from BH Cosmetics as well, and then I'm gonna go in with the shade called Sickening. And this is the shade that we're going to use to blend. And I'm going to hold the brush towards the end because I want to have light pressure when I'm blending this. Like extremely light. Okay, so now that we have these two shades pretty much blended in, I'm gonna go in with some glitter from Urban Decay, the heavy metal, and this one is Midnight Cowboy. And I'm gonna go ahead and not breathe because this part is really annoying, but just take your time and just apply the glitter because look how pretty this is. It's so pretty. I love this glitter. So I'm gonna go in close to the inner tear duct. I'm just following pretty much almost the shape of the eye. And I'm gonna pretty much make a wing. That way I know where I can connect the two. Okay, so be sure when you apply this glitter to let it dry. So just kind of fan it out. And also I'm gonna go in with another glitter from Urban Decay. Let me grab it. This one is a silver and it's called Glam Rock. And this one is really, really pretty too. So I'm just gonna let this dry and then I'm gonna just overline again what I pretty much traced out to enhance the glitter even more because I love glitter. Okay, so now since I went in with Glam Rock, I just overlined what I did with the Midnight Cowboy. Now I'm gonna go in with Natasha Denona. This is the Camel palette, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Dune. Yeah, wait, Dune. Yeah. So I'm gonna take that lightest shade. I'm gonna grab my mirror and then I'm just gonna apply it in the middle portion of the eye. So like that, just like that. And then I'm gonna take my BH brush and the number 8 and I'm gonna diffuse that dark brown and kind of blend the two together. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my face. I'm gonna go in with the Laura Mercier foundation primer in Radiance. So that's what this looks like. Put some on my finger. And then just and then just smooth it on out. Gives the skin a nice glow. Really good for no makeup days. You can just put a little bit of concealer on and put some of that primer on, the Radiance one, or even the hydrating one, and you'll have beautiful glowing skin. So next I'm going to go in with foundation. I'm going to use the NARS Sheer Glow foundation, and my shade is Barcelona Medium 4. So I'm going to pump that on the back of my hand. And then I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics number 3 brush. And just stipple that on and then apply it to my face. I absolutely love this foundation. This is really good for people who have dry skin because it doesn't cling on to any dry patches. At least for me, if I do have any dry patches, it doesn't cling onto them, which is perfect because I don't want no crusties, you know. Sticking to my, I don't want my foundation sticking to my dry patches if I have any. It's not a good look. Don't forget the neck. Okay, next I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty. I'm using the shade 300. And we're going to go ahead and conceal our bags away. So I am taking my beauty blender. I'm just gonna blend this on out. I feel like people with dry skin is gonna really love this new concealer that came out because it's not drying. It actually has like a almost like a natural finish, kind of. Excuse me, almost like a natural finish, because it's not like matte. Like it doesn't look matte. So okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and bronze on my skin up. I'm gonna use the same old stuff that I use all the freaking time. Let me know if there's a bronzer that you like, that you would recommend for me to try out. I'm gonna use Give Me Sun, and I am going in with the BH Cosmetics brush number 2. I really recommend this BH Cosmetic brush set. The bristles on here are so soft and like it's extremely cute. Like it's rose gold, marble, my 2 favorite things. So, and I'm just gonna bronze up the skin. I'm taking BH Cosmetics once again, the number 6 brush. I'm gonna pick up some Laura Mercier translucent powder. And I'm just gonna set right in here. I'm gonna take my Morphe M514 brush, and I'm gonna take Natasha Denona, and I'm gonna go with the shade called Aristotle or Sand. It's kind of confusing because it's on the back of this, I guess. So I guess Zand, and that's like the darkest shade in that palette. And I'm just gonna run this on the lower lash line. and just smoke that on out. And then I'm gonna take my NARS Climax mascara and I'm gonna put that in the bottom lashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on some lashes and put a nice lip, and I will be right back. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. So let me tell you about the lip combo that I use. I use Kat Von D and Bow and Arrow to line the outer rim of my lips, and then I went in with MAC. This is the Retro Matte and Dash O Spice all over the lips. So this might be my new like nude combo. It's really pretty. It goes really well with this eye look. I love the way it came out. Lashes that I am wearing is the Baddie B lashes in Baddie. So this is what it looks like. Really cute, worth the money, because these lashes are really pretty. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you thought in the comments down below and everything like that. And I hope to see you on the next video. Bye guys.